Welcome to RPF. In this video, we'll discuss about Power BI Decomposition Tree. This is the video number 18. If you're watching this video or this playlist first time, it means you have not yet covered the important concept. If you are watching this as direct video, I would request you to go through all the playlist where you will learn each and every concept about Power BI. And as I already committed throughout this playlist, after the completion of this complete playlist, share the screenshot with me. I will share Power BI training completion certificate with you, which will help you to enhance your skill set or add skill set in your resume and just help others sharing this video. This might change their life. Now, coming to the topic, decomposition tree in Power BI is facilitate deep exploratory data analysis by allowing user to visually break down complex data hierarchies into their constituent part. This is particularly useful for root cause analysis. The decomposition tree helps user understand the underlying factor contributing to a particular metric or KPI by breaking it down across various dimensions. It enables quick identifications of key contributors to success or failure. Data explorations, which provides an interactive way to explore data, helping users to uncover hidden trends, patterns, and outlines without needing pre-built hierarchies. Decision supports, where visualizing the impact of different factors on the overall outcome, it helps stakeholders make data-driven decisions and priorities actions. This will also give AI-powered insight. So in this video, we'll see how we can build decomposition tree from scratch. As of now, I'm using Power BI Cloud version. Here, whenever you launch or log in, navigate it to these three dots and from here, click on Learn. As of now, I'm opening the sample reports. Once we'll click on these sample reports, navigate it to the Edit sections and from here, click on Decomposition Tree. This is the Decomposition Tree. Once I will click here, you can see different factors. First of all, I wanted to analyze year. So year related informations you can add into the analyze. And for explanations by, you can add explanations by details like account related factors. I'm adding year, explanations, region, state, and few factors I wanted to include it from here, like average revenue, or maybe partner ID, or opportunity sections contains name as well. So we'll include it here. Now, if you can see, this report has started generating. I will delete this one. Maybe remove this. This report has already generated. Now, to see decomposition tree, we have to do some customizations. For doing this customizations, click on plus icon and select high value. This will start generating decompositions report. I will just extend it. You can see it here. Whatever values we have inspected, you have those data available. Even you can see into the down as well. So these are the data frames from the accounts. Now, if I want to go ahead one more step, again, I will click on plus icon and generate high value. You can see generation of region high value is also generated. One more label, we have another high value, which is state. After that, I want to have partner ID and name. Now, again, high value, this will generate a partner ID, or I will just delete it. It was taking some time to extract the value. That's the reason I am having this. Again, will generate high value. It will take some time to generate the record. You can see it here. Other one with the high value is name. This will take some time to extract the value and then generate the report. Now let me delete it, and maybe we don't have the value. That's the reason we are unable to see it. Let's consider I'm adding opportunity ID. Maybe this field we have. So according to the requirements, you can adjust the fields, add and remove any data from this Power BI wizard where you have the decomposition tree generated successfully. And whenever you want, you can just remove it. So it's totally up to you how and what all fields you're looking for to add the decomposition tree. This is giving us the insights and giving us the visual impact of any value to calculate root cause analysis of every project. So that's all from today's video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Your one actions might help the other to add the skills into their repository. Your one step will be helping others to even get on job. If you know any other way of using decomposition tree, make sure to add those ways in the comment sections, which will be helpful for other viewers. Here we are using the cloud versions. If you wanted to make this type of interfaces or this type of examples, make sure to use cloud and with full control. So this is all about decomposition tree in Power BI. Hope you enjoyed the content. Thank you for watching.